there. Welcome back to the YMM Zombies Bear Grylls Extravaganza Gear Review. Up next is the Bear Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool. As you can see, I've had mine for quite some time. A little bit of wear on the sheath where it rubs. Because to be honest, I'm a pretty wide guy, so when I'm wearing it, it tends to catch up on things. I've done a written review on this before, but I figured it was time for a video review. We have a nice Bear Grill emblem, Bear Grill signature. Pretty much any tool you could ever need. Rosie, shut up. Straight blade, serrated blade, can opener, screwdriver, scissors, and on the other side, slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a little mini saw. And then the whole thing folds out into spring-loaded pliers, which I love because I hate trying to use pliers two-handed. So a nice one-handed plier. When they're open, all of the tools lock in place. They're not going anywhere. They got little sliders to release the locks. Or if you find you can't use the slider, one thing you can do is keep one tool at about halfway out, and the other tools will come in, and the other tool will come in. So folds up nice and neat. Got the rather weathered copy of the Bear Grylls Priority of Survival buried deep down in here. Much easier to get at when you don't have clothes on. But as you all seen in the see, this is kind of what they look like after they've taken some beating. Mostly just wears in places. Nothing too big. Still a good survival guide. And I'm not really sure what these go for these days. I paid about 50 bucks a year ago when I bought them. And it's still to this day my go-to multi-tool. So I definitely recommend this for anyone that needs a handy multi-tool for an affordable price. Until next time, I'm Roddy Cross of YMM Zombies saying live forever.